Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how I change my home screen wallpaper into the aesthetic one, and how the way I got the aesthetic picture from my home screen. So mostly I found my aesthetic picture is on the Pinterest, so you just need to open the Pinterest. If you haven't had any Pinterest, go open your app store and start installing your Pinterest on your phone. Why? Because there will be like a huge aesthetic picture that you can find here. I would like to change my home screen here with the black color, but then I will not gonna forget the aesthetic one, so I will let to type the aesthetic black, and then we just need to find which aesthetic black that you want to have. So here I already found one. I think I would like to go with this. It's so simple with the small words on it. So if you want to get it, go click these three small dots and go click download image. And whenever you're done, now you just need to go back home. Right after that, go open your settings. Scrolling down, and after that you just need to find the wallpaper, go click it. And since we want to change the home screen wallpaper, so there will be two options here. There will be the information about the current wallpaper that you have for your lock screen, which is the left side, and the home screen for the right side. Since we want to change the home screen, go click this customize. Now you just need to go click plus button down part here in the photo sections, and you just need to go click this part to explore more picture, and then you just need to go click all and go click the picture that you want to use for your new wallpaper. And you can also adjust in the size. If you want to get the huge or the larger, go pinch with two of your finger, but if you want to have the regular one, just go pinch with two of your finger also. And then you just need to go click done whenever you got everything perfect on your phone. So that is the way how to change the wallpaper of your home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.